Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guy, and today we've got a special. We are going to be looking at the new Nothing Phone 4a, and specifically the 4a Pro. Now we did also get the Nothing headphones A, or whatever you want to call them, and that's going to be a separate video because there's a comparison that needs to be done with AirPods Max and blah. You know how the just goes when it comes to tech videos. But we have got the Nothing phone and we have it in silver, so why don't we unbox it? There will be a separate video in terms of a review because there are a bunch of reviews that are going to be coming out as promised for a very long time, so we will have the reviews out. And it's going to be a long-term use because I need some more time with them. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. So let's have a look at the box. As we can see, it's a Nothing Phone 4a Pro, as mentioned here, and of course the autofocus does not want to work. Every time, there you go, we got it right here. So it's a Nothing 4a Pro. It is in silver. It's got lovely packaging. We've got the lovely brand new design that came with the Nothing 4a Pro. And then we've also got a couple of information bits and bobs down here. Now what I do love, what Nothing have done, is they have just put a tab up here. So all we have to do is simple as that. And that should allow us to unbox the phone. Now I absolutely suck at when it comes to not ripping packaging. There you go, we got it. And it's just a simple pull here. Now we've got a little bit of messaging, so let's have a read at that. So it says, please focus, thank you. This phone is anything you want it to be. It can be just a phone, but it is also your pass to a community of creative minds out there making things. By using it to create and by sharing your ideas, we can help build something special together and make sure our product work better for you. Welcome to Nothing. We're happy for you. We're happy you're with us. Nothing community. And then it has like a little globe that you can scan. And it comes as a little pull tab. And we're going to put that packaging back down. Oh, it just comes off as we want it to come off. So what do we have in here? So this seems to be some sort of packaging. Okay, so we get a Nothing case. That's really nice to see. We get an energy rating of the device, and we get a cable inside. So we get like a thin see-through case, which is brilliant. And we're just going to put that back in here for the time being. And then we get the Nothing phone itself. Now, it comes in this gorgeous design, as you can see right here. And then we've also got a bunch of little icons and stuff to tell us what's what. So we've got our power button right here, we've got a volume up and down, we've got, it seems to be maybe an agent or it might be settings, and then we've got a micro SD slot right here, and we've got a USB-C connection in terms of charging the device. So we're going to have a look at that in a second, but the main thing about this device is this new layout that they've got for the back, and it's amazing. This is meant to be a screen that has some data that you can show to us. You can battery percentage, you can show us some messages, some level of text, anything up to us. And then we've also got two cameras right here, dual camera right here and a single camera right here. We've got our flash as well. So yeah, guys, this is the Nothing phone, and it feels just like an iPhone. Before anybody says anything, the difference between this device and, let me pull my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Guys, they've obviously got some sort of creative ideas from the 17 Pro Max or the 17 series, but it's similar, but it also looks fantastic. Like the way they've designed it, like it's one of my favorite looking devices for 2026 for sure. So let's just unwrap this device, if we can. Very quietly. There you go. And then it should just be a case of us having to pull the device out, like we've done here. and I don't know why I had to pull this off. I could have just left it on and just pulled the device out from the top, but we've got that. We put everything away neatly, and here is the device. Now there seems to be some level of screen protector applied on the device. Now let's turn it on. Is there any charge on the device? Maybe there's no charge on the device. Let me try that one more time. Is there any charge on the device? There is charge on the device. There we go. We're going. And it's just incredible. Like, it's very light. It looks like a beautiful device. It's very light, and you can just see more on the back. So you've obviously got some stickers here, and then you've got like a little cutout. It says nothing, and it has like it's like not a cutout, it's like a little indent I can see for the Nothing phone. And there we go. We've got a hello, and we just click, I guess, next, and this is set up finishing from using another device. So I will set this up myself, and then I will come back to you guys. So we have set up our device. Now a few things I've done is I've just try and set it up as quickly as I can, and you can see the Nothing Android skin that's utilized. It's very beautiful, very fluid. The device itself is rampantly quick. Now I will do a proper review of this device quite soon, but I just love the way that this Nothing phone looks, and from the back it just looks incredible. It is very fluid, very responsive. Now it is running a last year's chip on here. I think it's the Snapdragon 7 CPU, but it does come with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of storage. And guys, it feels amazing, like the way you can hold it, the way you feel, the way you can utilize the device. It's fluid, it's very, very quick, and I think that is what sets Nothing away from other Android users as well. And you can see like the camera, everything just works as you want it to work. So yeah, it's very, very quick and amazing. Now this device, I will need a bit of time to just test, use it. You know, I've got some Android phones and stuff I want to be able to test it alongside with, and obviously iPhone, and then I want to be able to give you guys a more in-depth review of this device. But guys, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.